Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about 11th day accountancy afternoon video. In this afternoon video, we discuss about the chapter cash book. So in this cash book, we discuss about the 3-column cash book. In the previous classes, we discuss about the meaning of a cash book and the format of a single column, double column, 3-column. And in the case of 3-column cash book, we discuss one example sum in the previous online classes. So today we discuss one more example sum in this afternoon video. Illustration 5. Record the following transaction in 3-column cash book of Gunasekaran. January 2017, date 1, cash in hand rupees 50,000, cash at bank rupees 90,000. So it is a opening cash balance and bank balance. It should be recorded in the 3-column cash book debit side. To balance brought down, cash will be recorded in the cash column, bank amount will be recorded in the bank column. And then date 2, goods sold on credit to Roshini. It should not be recorded in the 3-column cash book because of, in the case of cash book with a single or double or 3-column, don't take credit transaction, whether it may be a purchase or it may be a sales. So it is a credit sales, so it should not be taken to 3-column cash book. Then date 5, check received from Roshini in full settlement and deposit into bank. So we are receiving check from Roshini 14,500. Actually we will receive 15,000 from Roshini, but we are receiving only 14,500 in full settlement. So the difference between these two amount is 500. That amount is assumed as discount allowed because of we are receiving cash, we are receiving check, and the difference amount will be assumed as discount allowed. And on the same date, the check will be deposited into bank. So in the 3-column cash book debit side, you can record the amount 14,500 in bank column, 500 in the discount column for this transaction. So to Roshini or to sales, 14,500 should be recorded in the bank column, 500 should be recorded in the discount column. And then date 6, cash deposit to bank through cash deposit machine. So we are depositing the cash, we are deposit the cash into bank. So you can apply contra entry for this transaction because of we are taking the cash from the business and put into bank. So you can apply contra entry. In the 3-column cash book, by bank, credit side, by bank, write the amount in the cash column, and in the debit side, to cash, write the amount in the bank column, 18,000. And then date 7, goods sold to Std for 12,000. He made the payment of 11,800 by debit card in full settlement by availing a cash discount of 200. So in this case, we are selling goods to Std 12,000 and he paid the amount through debit card. So through bank, we are receiving the amount from Std 11,800, but the full amount is 12,000. He paid 11,800 and he closed the account. So the difference amount 200 is assumed as discount allowed. So in the debit side of the 3-column cash book, to sales in bank column 11,800, in discount column 200. Date 10, money withdraw from bank for office use. Here we are draw amount from bank for business purpose. So you can apply contra entry. So in the 3-column cash book, by cash, credit side, amount should be written in the bank column, and in debit side, to bank, amount should be written in the cash column. Date 12, purchase goods from Raja for 10,000 and paid through credit card in full settlement by availing cash discount of 200. So we are taking discount rupees 200. Out of 10,000, discount amount will be subtracted. So the 9,800 will be the balance amount. That 9,800 will be paid through credit card. So in the credit side of the cash book, by purchase in bank column 9,800 and discount received column 200. And then Nadia, who owed money, made the payment through NEFT system 18,000. So it is also through bank. Nadia paid amount means we are receiving amount. So in debit side of 3-column cash book, to Nadia, amount will be written in the bank column, that is 18,000. And then check of Roshan dishonor, because of in date 5 Roshan is check sent to bank. Roshan is check sent to bank. So that 14,500 rupees check amount will be dishonor here. So in the credit side, by Roshini, write the amount in the bank column 14,500. So by this way you can maintain the 3-column cash book. Let us now see the solution for this example sum. That is, in this solution, in the books of write the business people name, 3-column cash book for the month of January 2017. So make necessary column. You can use both the sides. In your account notebook, you can use both the sides. Left side, that is debit side. Right side, it is credit side. Make necessary column. In debit side, date, particular, receipt number, LF, discount allowed, cash, bank. And credit side also the same column, but voucher number should be written instead of receipt number, voucher number. All the other columns are same. Here discount allowed in debit side, credit side discount received. So in the credit side, the column will be date, particular, voucher number, LF, discount received, cash and bank. First you should write the opening balance, to balance brought down. January 1. Cash amount will be written in the cash column, bank amount will be written in the bank column. And then date 5 to Roshini, amount will be 14,500, discount will be 500. And then date 6, contra entry, that is by bank, in cash column 18,000, to cash, in bank column 18,000. For understanding the contra entry, you can write C in LF column. In both the sides, C will be written in the LF column for understanding the contra entry. And then date 7 to sales 18,000 in bank column. To sales 11,800 and 200 for a discount. And then date 10 to bank. It is also contra entry because we are drawing amount from bank for office purpose. So by cash in bank column 2,000, to bank in cash column 2,000, and put C for contra entry. Here missing, you can write C for contra entry. And then date 12 by purchase. By purchase you can write the amount 9,800 in the bank column because of through credit card we are paying the amount, discount will be 200. And then date 14 to Nadia, that is we are receiving amount through credit card. So through bank we are receiving amount 18,000. And date 27 by Roshan, it is check dishonor. Roshan check is a dishonor. So in credit side by Roshini, amount will be written in the bank column. So after writing all the necessary transactions in the respective columns, now you should balance the cash book. First to take cash column, both the sides cash column. Add debit side of cash column 52,000. Usually in cash book, cash column will be highest in debit side, not in credit side. So first add the debit side cash column 50,000, write the amount in the credit side also, and you should separate 18,000 from 52,000. The balance will be 34,000. It is the closing cash balance. So write by balance CD, that is carried down. Date will be the last date of the given month, 31. So you can write the date, write by balance CD, amount will be difference amount 34,000. Then come to the bank column. Sometimes bank column point of view, credit side will also be increase in sometimes. Mostly debit side will be the highest amount in bank column. Sometimes in credit side also will be the highest amount in bank column. So while balancing the bank column, first you should add the debit bank column roughly, that is 90, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 29, 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh 52,300. It is here is 18,000. So 1 lakh 52,300 is the debit bank column. In credit side only 11, 25, 26,300. Only 3 posting is there in the credit side of bank column. So the total will be the 26,300. So that amount will be separated from the 1 lakh 52,300. The balance will be 1 lakh 26,000. It is also the normal bank balance. By balance CD in the same line you can write it. Sometimes if the credit total is highest means that total should be written in the debit side bank column, and the debit side bank transaction will be added, subtract from the total amount. The balance will become in debit side. To balance, carry down, write the amount in the debit side of bank column. If credit side total is highest one. So in this example the debit total is the highest one, so the balance least amount arise in the credit side. So write that balance amount in the credit side by balance, carry down, and that two closing balance of cash and bank should be taken to the opposite side, that is debit side. Write the date, next month first date. To balance brought down, bank cash balance 34,000, bank balance 1 lakh 26,000. So by this way you can prepare a cash book. So for more understanding purpose you can work out at least 2 sums in 3 column cash book from the exercise by go through the specimen of 3 column cash book and 2 example sums in the previous video and the present video, and you can try to solve 2-3 column cash book in your accountancy ruled assignment notebook. Keep it safely and bring it on school reopening day without fail. Thank you.